Welcome back. This is the second reflection video in which we'll go over what we just saw. We just saw that Aravind wanted to really put the website online and he figured out ways to do it. Just that he knew that just by searching he figured out there's something called github.io which are pages that you can just put simple pages online. And yes, he stumbled onto some issues, but he figured it out and eventually he has a page online. He has this URL he can show to his friends. So from this video, these are the reflection points, three reflection points that we have. The first one is that Aravind tries to find the easiest ways to get something done. Being lazy and smart in the initial stages is very important, because if there's a lot of hard work, right, you'll really feel lazy and you don't want to do it, right? That's the normal mindset, right? Initial days we want to see results fast so that it motivates us. That's why we have to be pretty lazy but smart at the same time. This is the first learning point. The second learning point is that he follows the instructions to the letter. So if something is mentioned on a Stack Overflow answer or on some website giving steps, he does not skip anything, he does not mess around, because this is the first time he's doing something. So he really follows everything to the letter, right, which is like exactly. But still he has some issues, like for github.io, he didn't know why the page was not showing up. He thought it will automatically show up, right? But he looks around. He's feeling like he wants to check things before he wants to try another solution. And that is very important, because not everything will work. Even though you copy paste some code, it may not work as it is, because you might have something a little bit different. Maybe things have changed. Like in this case, it seems that the way the pages get deployed has changed a little bit. And so it's important to just mess around a little bit and see what could be going on. If nothing had worked, probably Aravind would have asked on Stack Overflow, as he has been doing it since the first video, right? Someone would have answered, because these are things that many people are trying. So because so many people are trying, many people would have faced this issue and someone would have asked. That's the second learning point, which is that follow instructions to the letter, but if stuck, try to mess around and find things. The third reflection point is that he knows what he wants to do and keeps searching, right? Searching is extremely crucial, which is that you can't try to learn everything by yourself. You just have to know what you need and then keep searching. Maybe modify the search, be persistent, till he finds something that helps him with the how-to part. He just knows what he wants. He doesn't know how to do it, but he's very persistent. He wouldn't let go. For example, if the github.io page didn't work for some reason and he was stuck for a few hours, do you think he would have given up? No way. So what he would have done is modified the search, found another way to put pages online, and maybe stumbled upon something like Heroku and put it online. That's persistence. That's knowing what you want and then trying to get it done. So what he wanted was getting the page online. What he did is get it online. Those are the three reflection points. Let me quickly summarize the three reflection points so that the learning points are still fresh in your mind. The first one is that be lazy and smart in the initial days. That's how you'll get motivation to keep moving forward by seeing results. The second reflection point is follow instructions to the letter, but if something doesn't work, try to check things around, mess around. The third reflection point is that know what you want to do, but the how-to part, just keep searching, persistent. Okay? Google is smart, Stack Overflow is smart. People have asked these questions all along. So those are the three reflection points of this video. Thank you.